Checking your transaction history on Betterment is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial activity. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Betterment website or open a Betterment app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, look for the account or portfolio section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your account. Step 3. Select transaction history. Within the account section, find the option labeled transaction history or similar. Click on this option to view your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have the option to filter your transaction history by date, range, type of transaction, or other criteria. Use these filters to narrow down the information you want to see. Step 5. Review and download. Review your transaction history on the screen. If needed, look for an option to download or export the transaction details for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Betterment. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your investments and financial progress.